Hello CA Inter students who are targeting to crack CA Inter exams in May 2024 attempt. So in this video we are going to discuss a lot of useful information for such aspirants who wants to clear CA Inter in May 2024 attempt. If you ask me why this video is for informing you about the study hours and revision exams that we are going to conduct at Masterminds. So many students, in spite of wanting to crack CA Inter in May 2024 exams, but still they could not do it because of many reasons. And some students may think that they can prepare well at their home, and initially home preparation seems to be very good, but at a later point of time the home preparation will not give the desired results, and the students will make out lot of schedules and they want to follow them, and finally they could not do with those schedules. This is another biggest problem that the students faces, and all the time students may be postponing the study plans. They want to study something in the morning, they cannot do it, then they postpone it to afternoon, then to the evening, then to the night, then the next day, then the next month. Like that, this postponing becomes contagious, and this postponing will definitely decrease the confidence levels of the students. And the most important thing is that many students just think that it is enough if you keep on reading and reading for a lot of time. It is not just enough to read. In addition to reading the content, you have to present it in the exam. You have to write a lot of exams. That is very important. For all such students in Masterminds, from February 2024, we are going to start the revision exams. And this revision exam batch will start from 15th February 2024, and the first revision exam will be conducted on 20th February 2024. So, my dear students, please don't miss this golden chance. This is definitely a golden chance to bring back your preparation onto the track. So in this study hours and revision exams batch, which is going to start on 15th February 2024, where the first revision exam is on 20 February 2024, for both group students we will be conducting 91 exams. So with one set of pre-finals, and the details I'll tell you much later. And if you are aspiring to clear only a single group, and for such students we will be conducting 81 exams for single group, even if you write group 1 or group 2, where you also will have one set of semi-finals and one set of pre-finals. So here at Mastermind Study Hours and Revision Exams, which is a gateway to success in CA exams, what we do? So the first thing will be the focused study hours. See, when you sit to study at your home, you may not feel it comfortable, and there might be a lot of distractions that pull you here and there. But here at Masterminds, you will have focused study hours so that you can sit for a long time and you can focus on your studies, and in a very ambient and in a very study supportive atmosphere. And the biggest improvement that we are making is, in addition of giving the revision schedule on day 1 itself, we are also giving the micro revision schedule, so that inside a chapter how you need to prepare a particular topic, how much of time you need to allocate to it. So that level of micro level planning we are doing. We are making micro level schedules also, micro revision schedules. And immediately after the completion of the revision exam, we also give suggested answers to the students. So that, see, actually what we do is, after a student completes his exam, we will send that answer paper for evaluation, and it may take some 2 weeks for the evaluation to happen, and it will be 2 weeks by the time we give back the answer sheets to the students. So in the meantime, student have to assess, and if a student can assess his performance instantly, immediately after the completion of the exam, that will be a great help to the student, so that the things gets imprinted in his mind instantly and he can rectify his mistake instantly. And for every student who joins in our study hours and revision exams, we also provide a performance report, which is very important for SWOT analysis. You can come to know your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats of every subject basing on the performance report that we give to you. And above all, you get guidance from the directors, which is a very important thing, because many students, they don't know how to write a lengthy paper, how to answer a lengthy paper, how to answer a tough paper. Okay, what should be the approach towards the preparation of theoretical subjects? What should be the approach towards the preparation of practical subjects? So this requires a lot of guidance, lot of motivation and a lot of clarity. So here we will have guidance from the directors who gives you all this kind of guidance and motivation, so that this motivation and guidance will help you and keep yourself going and moving all the time. And this is definitely the greatest advantage. Now you may ask me, sir, to whom this service is suitable? So this service is suitable to the students who want to crack their CA Inter exams in May 2024 attempt. And the biggest problem with many students is they are very good in concepts. Their conceptual clarity will be very lucid, very strong. But the problem is they might not have enough practice of answering the tricky questions, practice of answering the scenario based questions. So what is lacking for them is a simple practice of writing the examinations. And not only mastermind students, any student who has taken coaching anywhere across the country, if he wants or if he strongly feels that he requires very good practice with a focused study environment, then you can choose Mastermind Study Hours and Revision Examinations for CA Inter May 2024 attempt. So what do we do in this Study Hours and Revision Exam batch? So we will conduct 2 revision exams a week, and as I have said earlier, we also evaluate your answer papers and will also return back the valued answer papers to the students, so that students can cross-check. And of course, immediately after the completion of the exams, we will give you the suggested answers. You need not worry about that. And there might be some students who will be asking, sir, this is all fine, but situations are not permitting us to attend the study hours physically, but we want to take your test series. Yes, you can definitely take our test series, that is called as MMTS, Masterminds Test Series. So what is this MMTS? To put it in shorter terms, MMTS is nothing but revision exams minus study hours. That means you can take revision exams in online mode through our Masterminds online classes app, and you need to study on your own because you are not in a position to attend study hours at our place. And you may ask me, sir, where these study hours and revision exam batches are available? So these study hours and revision exam batches are available at our central office, Guntur, as well as in our branches like Hyderabad. We have both in Dilshad Nagar and Amirpet we have. Likewise in Tirupati, Vijayawada, Vizag, Kurnool, Nellore, Rajahmundry. So in all these places, in all the branches of Masterminds, we have this study hours and revision exam batches, and there will be separate schedule for both groups and single group students. Okay, and for both group students we will conduct 2 revision exams a week, and for single group students also we conduct 2 revision exams a week, and the examinations are conducted in the afternoon session of Tuesday and Friday. Many students keep on asking us, sir, can we purchase recorded video classes of selective papers in the Masterminds online classes? Yeah. Yes, you can certainly do that. You can purchase paper-wise recorded videos. and you can watch them along with taking the admission either for study hours and revision exams or MMTS. Okay. Or there is another mode available that is called MPM, monthly payment mode. You can avail that opportunity also, and you can watch the recorded videos. And one very important thing, some people after the results and after preparing for some time, out of realization, they may think of joining in the regular batch coaching one more time. So if you come to that category and if you feel that taking coaching for one more time is definitely helpful to you, yes, you can join in CA Inter regular batches, and there will be a huge discount for old Masterminds students. And the most popular question asked by the students, will the management of Masterminds provide guest questions? Yes, in every attempt, you get 60 to 70% of questions from Masterminds guest questions, and that also happened in November 2022 attempt. So this time also we have released guest questions for May 2024 attempt for those students who have taken admission in study hours and revision exams. We will provide them the guest questions, or otherwise you can purchase the guest questions from our Masterminds online classes app. And coming to the hostel facility, in Guntur we have CRS, complete residential system, for both boys and girls separately. So CRS is a very popular thing in Masterminds, that is complete residential system, where the students will stay in the same campus, their study campus, their hostel is in the same place, so that will avoid lot of time to commute from study place to the hostel, so that students can focus more and they can study well. And that is the reason this CRS is gaining a lot of popularity nowadays, and many students, they are joining for CRS. So that CRS is available in Guntur. And in Tirupati, Vijayawada and Dilshuk Nagar, we have hostel facility available only for girls. So this is the basic information, a very valuable information related to CA Inter study hours and revision examinations for May 2024 attempt. Hope this will be very useful to you. Thank you.